PRO-W10GX pocket wideband RF detector is a digital wideband RF detector with a frequency range of 0 to 10 GHz and an internal memory log. It will detect the very latest covert listening, tracking, cellular and video devices. It features an ultra-wide frequency response of 0 to 10 GHz, a frequency counter of 0 to 6 GHz for analog and digital signals. It also has a live scan feature to show live detected signal traces. It will record internally 1,000 events of all detected burst signals and frequencies. It has a graph mode that plots detected signals, and everything is displayed on a 2.5-inch colour TFT display. The product is supplied with 2 antennas, one high gain directional antenna and a standard whip antenna. Audio demodulation can be heard through the built-in speaker, and audio signal strength can be heard through a beep tone or in silent vibrate mode. The product is housed in a machined aluminium enclosure for maximum durability and runs on an internal lithium polymer battery pack with charger supplied. The whole package is supplied in a heavy-duty military standard carry case. So here we have the main screen on the PRO-W10GX. At the moment we're picking up a signal from a mobile phone device on 900 MHz. As we move the device closer to the unit, you'll see the signal strength increases and the signal trace is shown along the bottom of the screen. This is called the live scan feature. As that's a digital signal, it will be a pulsing on and off signal very fast. Okay, now we're going to show it with a signal from a 2.4 GHz video transmitter. At the moment there's nothing being detected. As soon as we switch the device on, we're picking up a signal on 2.432 GHz. The signal strength is shown at the top, and as you can see, as it's a constant carrier signal, we're getting a solid trace along the bottom of the screen, unlike the pulse signal we were getting from the phone. If you go to the menu, we have the sensitivity maximum on the top left-hand side. We have the battery level indicator on the right-hand side. We had a sound on-off for audio demodulation. We have the beeper on-off. We have vibrate on-off for silent vibrate mode detection. We have a live graph and a stored log. So if we now select sound on-off and then select sound on, we now have audio demodulation. So we've now entered sound on mode and we are listening to demodulated audio of the local RF environment. If we put on this audio transmitter, you can see immediately the frequency of 399.5 MHz is being shown, the signal strength at the top. On the bottom of the screen you can see the signal strength trace, which is solid because the product is actually an analog transmitter transmitting a constant signal. If we speak into the device, you can actually hear the audio coming through the speaker of the PRO-W10GX. So now we've entered into the log screen and you can see the latest detected signals. You can store up to 1,000 events in this screen. Just as you can see there was a signal for 10 minutes and 1 second since power on 399.5 MHz, signal strength 20, duration of 9 seconds, and the signal earlier was at 9:50 on 2.347 GHz with a signal strength of 13 and a duration of 6 seconds. All these events can be scrolled through with time and date stamp.